Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing one of my most delicious recipes, my coconut chicken. If you love a creamy sauce, then this dish is perfect for you. Let's get started. Slice the chicken into small pieces. What part of the chicken is your favorite? Leave your answer down in the comments below. To marinate, add black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little dark soy sauce, cornstarch, and oil. Mix well. Now let's grate the lemongrass, ginger, and garlic. Grating the lemongrass is optional if you're too lazy. Sometimes I take a cleaver, smash it, then call it a day. But what I don't recommend is cutting it with a knife. You'll still get tough strands in the dish, which can be unpleasant to eat. Now let's cook. In a pan on medium-high heat, add oil and pan fry the chicken. Wait! Let's pause for a minute. Did everyone see the mistake I just made? It's bad, and quite frankly, I should be arrested for it. Let's rewind back and have a look. Yes, the chicken was sticking to the pan. Now, there are several reasons why this might happen. Your pan is not hot enough, there's not enough oil, the chicken is too cold, you aren't patient and flipped it too quickly. In my case, I flipped the chicken before it was ready, causing it to stick. I also made the mistake of cooking the chicken right after it was in the fridge. Next time, I'll be sure to leave it at room temperature for a few minutes before cooking. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and add the grated ingredients. Add some brown sugar as well. Stir fry until aromatic. Then add the coconut milk. Now we can add the fish sauce and squeeze some fresh lime. Now let's add the chicken back in and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. You can add a little bit of slurry if you like it thick. Give it a taste. To finish, let's plate and add some fresh cucumbers on top. The fresh lemongrass and lime juice really make this dish stand out.